Hello all and welcome back again. Yeah, things been hectic, crazy, a lot of stuff just going on. This is the most recent remodel of the van. I ended up having to change quite a bit of things out for this one. In this video you're gonna see me tearing apart the old desk, the bed, and then um, later on towards the end of it you'll see the new bed. We turned it into a slider bed, so it slides out from the passenger side, and then we have the desk actually on the side that the head of the bed used to be. It opens up airflow so much better. Um, my pantry also moved from the front seat to the cabinet portion of the desk. I widened that a little bit, and the lizard enclosure, you'll actually see it, is sitting on top of the cabinet, the pantry. As far as like build stuff goes, that's really all that we were doing with this. Was just changing some stuff around, reorganizing it, trying to figure out what I needed, what I didn't need. All the good fun stuff. And then we moved the slider door from being the main entry exit to the passenger door. Main reason being, passenger door actually locks and unlocks and opens. The slider door locks and unlocks, but it only opens if you open the passenger door and push on the handle. Also, there's so much crud and stuff just falls in there, dog food, all of that door, I'm pretty sure at some point in time it's just gonna stop working. So that whole area where the desk side used to be now is my extra storage. I'll probably, because I figure I'll be going back down to where I do all my building. I'll be back down there in probably a few weeks. I'm probably going to build some type of storage shelving that I can just easily move in and out if I need to ever get through that door again for some reason, and just have that there. And that'll help because I've got stuff just lined up in front of that door right now, and it's a pain a little bit. I also have my flip up kitchen counter table that I was using to cook with that I now have to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I'm thinking about figuring out a way to bring it to my back desk, and so when the bed is in full sofa mode, I can just flip it up and I can sit directly back on the sofa rather than sitting on the edge to do everything with the computer or gaming and stuff. This setup has also been amazing because it's helped me be able to do some streaming and gaming and editing and stuff like that a little bit more. I do have some plans of things to do. One of those things is going to be I'm going to be putting out a haunted video. It'll be when I go back down to where I do all this filming at. So that'll probably be in a few weeks, or the end of the month, one of the two. I'm not sure when we're supposed to go back down there. But anyway, I think I've yapped long enough. I'm going to finish this voiceover right and then I'm going to go to the end of this video and film out an intro real quick, and then I'll plug in some music in the rest of the spots. So y'all enjoy.
Cruising down the highway, Vanlife with my crew. My dog in the passenger, we got nothing to lose. Bearded dragon chillin', sunbathing on my dash. Searching for the spookiest, we making memories fast. Every ghost town whispers secrets in the night. Got the universe guide me, I'm ready for the fight. Vanlife with my dog in the rearview dreams. Searching for the answers in the moonlight beams. Bearded dragon vibes as we dance with the night. On this road to nowhere, everything feels right. Rolling through the states with my heart on my sleeve. Paranormal vibes in the shadows, I believe. Chasing down the answers, what lies beyond the veil. With my loyal companions, we'll uncover every trail. In the darkness where the echoes meet, I find my own truth, feel the chilling beat. Vanlife with my dog in the rearview dreams. Searching for the answers in the moonlight beams. Bearded dragon vibes as we dance with the night. On this road to nowhere, everything feels right. Everything feels right. Rolling through the states with my heart on my sleeve. Paranormal vibes in the shadows, I believe. Chasing down the answers, what lies beyond the veil. With my loyal companions, we'll uncover every trail. In the darkness where the echoes meet, I find my own truth, feel the chilling beat. Vanlife with my dog in the rearview dreams. Searching for the answers in the moonlight beams. Bearded dragon vibes. Our controller in hand, late night sessions, we take a stand. Laughing out loud, no fear of the dark. Chasing our dreams, igniting the spark.
In the glow of the screen, we find our way. With the Kotsky vibes, we seize the day.
Facing fear, we laugh and we play. In the name of a Kotsky, we'll pave the way. Through games and ghouls, we stand so tall. Together forever, we'll never fall. Giving us chills, but we fight together, conquer the drills. Deep in the chat, support never ends. In this world of ours, we'll never pretend.
Shadows creep in, but we rise above. Unite as one, powered by love.
Facing fear, we laugh and we play. In the name of a Kotsky, we'll pave the way. Through games and ghouls, we stand so tall. Together forever, we'll never fall. In the name of a Kotsky, we shine bright. Keep pushing forward, we own the night. In a world where colors paint the game, we dive into realms where we're not the same. Pixels align, sparks ignite. In this digital place, everything feels right. Select your character, let's take the stage. With every button pressed, we turn the page. We rise above in this virtual land. With every quest, we take a stand. Life's a game that we learn to play. In this chill moment, we'll find our way. Hey. We'll find our way. Artistic mind, but I play with grace. In the chaos and noise, I found my space. Hidden levels where others can't see. Together we conquer, just you and me. Resilience shines like neon lights. In this gaming world we reach new heights. We rise above in this virtual land. With every quest we take a stand. Life's a game that we learn to play. In this chill moment we'll find our way. So let's level up and embrace the flow. In the game of life we steal the show. We rise above. We run to play. We find our way. Find our way. So let's level up and embrace the flow. In the game of life we steal the show. Looking down these winding roads in my van at night. Just me and my dog out here chasing the light. Bearded dragon chilling as I plot my next scheme. Living on the edge, man, I'm chasing my dream. Life's a battle, but I'm ready to bleed. Society's waiting, but I'm planting my seed. Living life on the edge, yeah, that's my creed. With my crew by my side, we're planting the seed. No more chains breaking free. Can't you see? The world's my canvas and I'm painting it me. Got my plans on paper, but they slip like sand. Expectations from the world, but I got my own brand. Fuel in my tank and my heart's on fire. Every mile I take, I reach a little higher. Chasing shadows, dancing on the thin line, but I'll rise above. This life will be mine. Living life on the edge, yeah, that's my creed. With my crew by my side, we're planting the seed. No more chains breaking free. Can't you see? The world's my canvas and I'm painting it me. So I'll ride these roads where the wild things roam. In this van and with my pack, I finally found home.
In the shadows where I lay my heart to die, searching for a light, but the sun just won't rise. Each girl I meet feels like a cruel disguise. Broken pieces of a love that's been tossed aside. Thought I found my muse, but she turned to dust, to dust. Searching for love where the hearts turn cold. Every touch is a scar, every promise sold. In this gutter, the stories unfold. Love's just a nightmare growing old and bold. Lost in a cycle, can't escape this game. Her voice still echoes, whispering my name. Too blind to see in this twisted frame. I chase the wrong dreams, live life in shame. Falling deeper down, this love's a curse. Lost in a cycle, can't escape this game. Her voice still echoes, whispering my name. Searching for love where the hearts turn cold. Every touch is a scar, every promise sold. In this gutter, the stories unfold. Love's just a nightmare growing old and bold. In this darkened space, my heart's forever lost. Love's a fading dream, but I'll bear the cost. I gave her my heart, my soul and my dreams. But now I'm just a ghost, lost in her schemes. She wanted a crown, but threw it away. Now shadows of her haunt me, night and day. She slipped through my fingers, of pain, stalking my thoughts like a whispering rain. I'm losing myself in a woman so cruel. Her touch was electric, now I'm her fool. Thought love was freedom, but it's a chain. Now I'm lost in this dark, twisted pain. Caught in a whirlwind, I can't break free. She's watching my every move, can't let it be. Once a queen, now a thief of my life, turning my days into restless nights. Her laughter rings hollow, I'm trapped in her game, and I'm losing myself every time that I blame. I'm losing myself in a woman so cruel. Her touch was electric, now I'm her fool. Thought love was freedom, but it's a chain. Now I'm lost in this dark, twisted pain. She took what I gave. In the shadows where the trees stand, without a home, love will never fall. With a dire wolf's howl and a snow fox's grace, together we thrive in this wild sacred space. As the world crumbles, your heart's my song. Through the chaos, side by side we belong. We are the wolves of the night, lost in the ground. In a world gone insane, our love will resound with every pulse with a spark of light, with the crunch of leaves beneath our feet. In the sun take love, we
Okay, so here's our quick little overview. The seat gone, all the junk stuff right now that I've got to move. The pantry, so much more room than before. The lizard enclosure, he's got way more room, wider, everything. He's happy as can be. Bed in sofa mode. See, big wide gap, so it's real hard. All of the EcoFlow stuff is readily available, and then everything else. See y'all.